Welcome back to another lesson of Microsoft Excel Essential. In this lesson, we are going to learn about median and also mode. Now, what are these functions? Median basically finds out the data which is in the middle. Let's say it works only in case of numerical values. So it's going to find out that specific data which is in the middle. Not like, the cell middle, but it's going to give you the value which data is in the average or maybe, center place. Let's say if you put in from 1 to 100, it's going to give you the answer of 50. In case of mode, it gives you the exact data which is being used frequently. So let's just make an array of data and just type in random numbers. You can see it like this. Okay, there we have is a specific range of data. I'm going to keep it at the center so it looks a bit more better. Now I'm going to do is use the median function, equal median. Now I'm going to do is select the numbers. You can select them individually or like select the whole cell or select the whole range of data. It's totally up to you. I'm going to do is select the whole range of data, close the parentheses, hit on enter, and you can see 75. So this is how it works. Now let's say I'm going to type in equal, type in mode, or you can use later, multi-mode later on. You can use the mode function, select all the cells, close the parentheses, hit on enter, and there we go. It is the value that is being mostly used. Okay, so it is at the center. That is why this is the value, and 75 because it is the one frequently used in a specific range of data. So hope you learned everything in this lesson, and thank you for watching this video. In the next lesson, we are going to go a bit more advanced where we are going to show you sum if s, average if is, count ifs, and minimum if and maximum if.